you're this little.
No, I'm not. I'm this little because I'm 4.
Oh, you're this little?
Yeah.
But you look this little.
Why I'm 4 and 4 is this?
You're almost 5.
Yeah, but why is it taking forever?
Huh?
Why is it taking forever?
What, to turn 5? Because it takes a whole year. How's it going, my loves? Welcome back to another video. I'm Rose. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. We're so glad to have you here in the Veggie Fam. So we make videos 2 times a week, or post videos 2 times a week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you're watching, and to hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And yeah, so today we're gonna be making some sticky sesame chicken, quote quote, right? It's gonna be cauliflower wing styled, but it's gonna be awesome. This is the same way that I make the general chicken, and yeah, so let's get veggie. Cornstarch, cauliflower. We have a whole batch of cauliflower here. We have cornstarch. I'm dipping it into the cornstarch. Then we're dipping it into some, I'm using soy milk. You can use unsweetened almond milk, whatever floats your boat. And then dipping it into some flour. And you can season your flour for this, since we're going to be adding a sauce onto it. I'm not going to season my flour because I just find it unnecessary. And there's just so much flavor in the sauce itself that it doesn't make a difference. I've tried it that way, and it's just like, save yourself this step. Don't season it. You get plenty of seasoning from the sauce. So we're just going to continue to do this until all of our cauliflower is done. Let me tell you guys, whenever I've made anything cauliflower for people who are not vegan, it is such a big hit. So if you guys have any of those people who are like, what, ew, or whatever, you know, a little skeptical about vegan food, make them some sort of fried. Don't steam it, because, I mean, who really likes steamed cauliflower, or steamed any veggies for that matter? I'm sorry if you do. No offense. I just don't like it. So, yeah, make them some sort of fried cauliflower. I have a bunch of recipes for cauliflower on here. We have the general chicken cauliflower recipe. I'll link them all below. Okay, so next we're going to toss in our cauliflower into our oil, and we're just going to fry it up. Like I said, you can try baking it, air frying it, whatever floats your boat. I have not tried it. I've only tried, oh, that was weird. I looked at my neighbor straight in the eye as they passed by, which was weird. Oh, yeah. I'm not one for eye contact, so that was weird. Add this into your oil. Yada, yada, yada. You know the drill. The full recipe, of course, as usual, will be linked down below. Down below, down below, down below, down below, down below. So, these guys are all nice and fried up. Again, the recipe will be linked down below. I get a lot of questions about why don't you add the ingredients on the list in the bottom and all that stuff. Because I have a blog, a website that was constructed completely for the purposes of giving you guys all the information that you need in regards to anything Veggie Rose. So that's why, since I go through all the trouble of putting it on the blog, I just link it down below. You know what I need, you guys? Some Cuban coffee. I need to get back into Miami and get some real Cuban coffee from a Cuban, you know, anyways, so, anyways, let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the sauce situation here. And I have my pan on way too high. You ready? I'm adding some soy sauce. I am adding some, this is sweet chili sauce. That's what that is. That stuff tastes so good with so many different things. You're gonna love it if you haven't tried it yet. Got our ketchup in there. Yes, I said ketchup. And then we're also gonna add some brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, packed-ish, and some sushi vinegar, along with a little bit of sesame oil. I won't go too crazy with the sesame oil, about a teaspoon of sesame oil because this stuff is strong. And I almost forgot to add in our garlic cloves. So I have some minced garlic cloves. In reality, I don't mince garlic cloves, I grate them because it's so much easier to do it that way. So I have some grated garlic cloves, and I'm just gonna mix this all up so it's nice and combined. It'll be much easier for everything to combine once it warms up. And in just about like 2-3 minutes, this is gonna start thickening up, and once it starts to thicken up, that's where you get the sticky from. That's where you get the whole sesame sticky part of the recipe, because all the sugars in the chili sauce and the sugars in, of course, the brown sugar and in the ketchup will start to thicken up, caramelize, do all that good stuff that you want to happen in a sticky sauce. You guys know sauces are my thing. I love a good sauce, and the more sauce the better, and this stuff is really, really yummy. So this is sticky enough. You can see when I moved it with the spatula, you still get that space, which just means that it has thickened up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. We don't want it to burn. I'm gonna toss in our chicken or cauliflower. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put this over a bed of rice, and I'll be right back. And there we have it. So I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit of sesame seeds on top. These are not toasted, which is why they're so light, but either way, it works. So also sprinkling on some green onion, and that's it. All right, here we go. Time for the taste test cam. Wow. First off, it's super duper hot, so I don't want to go in for a full bite because I'm going to end up burning myself, and that's not going to be fun. It's happened before. So, super yummy. You can see the inside of the cauliflower. It has that like chicken type of look to it. It also feels like chicken. Of course, it doesn't have like a real chicken taste, even though chicken doesn't taste like all that much on its own. But it does have a chicken feel for some reason. Like cauliflower just has that texture. But yeah. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you're vegan, not vegan, or anything that may be in between. You're gonna like this. I'm just saying, you're gonna dig it. So, if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, I would love to know what you think about it, and I would love to know how it turned out. So don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.